Today we're going to show you something new from Viper Bench Rest. The Viper Bench Rest Viper Barrel Hitch Mount. This is made to go into a 2-inch receiver hitch. So if you're at matches, you're just at the range, you're out somewhere and you need to take your action off your barrel. It comes with bolts, nuts, and washers. Just like that. Barrel vise goes on. And all these bolts need is just to be a little more than snug. It's not like it's going to fall off or you're going to tear it off. It will not happen. So now I have a Remington 700 that I've been shooting for a while, and I want to change out to a different barrel. My torque wrench is set at 50 foot-pounds. I've never had a need to torque these nuts any more than that. I've already got my action wrench in. Off she comes.